Are you tired of pre-built gaming PCs that look exactly like every other plain black metal box sitting on your desk? What if I told you that your next computer wouldn't just play the absolute most demanding games at a stunning 4K resolution, but actually featured a built-in, fully functional 11.3-inch smart display integrated right into the side of the tempered glass case? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are taking a massive, comprehensive deep dive into an absolute monster of a machine that is completely redefining what a modern pre-built gaming setup can and should look like. We are talking about the highly anticipated KOTIN G60B pre-built gaming PC, specifically the model ending in 797X3250712G. Now, KOTIN has been making some incredibly serious waves in the pre-built computer market recently, and this exact model is currently sitting with a rock-solid 4.3 out of 5-star rating on Amazon, backed by highly positive customer reviews and ranking comfortably in the top 35 for tower computers overall. After looking at the sheer, unadulterated power and the unbelievable futuristic aesthetics of this rig, it is incredibly easy to see exactly why it is flying off the shelves. This absolute beast of a machine is packing the brand new Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, loaded with 12 gigabytes of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, and it is perfectly paired with the blazing fast 2025 model AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor. It is quite literally built from the ground up for flawless 4K gaming, heavy 3D content creation, and seamless multitasking. If at any point during this video you want to check the current pricing, see the exact specs for yourself, or pick one up for your own desk, I have placed the direct Amazon affiliate link right down in the top of the description below. Prices in the PC hardware space fluctuate constantly based on supply and demand, so definitely click that link right now to see the absolute best deal and availability for today. Now, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get into the full, unrestricted review. Let's start with the absolute elephant in the room, which is the physical design, the build quality, and of course that breathtaking secondary display. The KOTIN G60B is very far from your average run-of-the-mill gaming tower. It arrives in a highly premium, sleek black chassis with physical dimensions measuring exactly 16.81 inches long, 8.66 inches wide, and 14.25 inches tall. Weighing in at a very solid 30 pounds, it is a remarkably sturdy, brilliantly well-built machine that feels like a premium enthusiast product from the exact moment you pull it out of the shipping box. But what completely steals the show here, the feature that is going to make all of your friends instantly jealous, is the 11.3-inch secondary smart display that is integrated directly into the case design. Yes, you heard that correctly. This is a brilliant LED screen with a standard 16:9 aspect ratio built right into your PC tower. Let me be clear, this is not just some cheap static graphic or a useless gimmick designed to grab your attention. This is a fully functional secondary monitor recognized by Windows. You can use this gorgeous display to monitor your critical system temperatures, keep an eye on your CPU and GPU usage in real time using hardware monitoring software, display incredible animated wallpapers from Wallpaper Engine, or even have your Spotify playlist, OBS Studio, and Discord chat open while your main gaming monitor remains entirely focused on your gameplay. It elevates the entire visual aesthetic of your gaming setup to a level that standard glass panels simply cannot match. Combined with the fully customizable ARGB lighting that beautifully illuminates the sleek black interior components, this PC is an absolute stop show. It literally demands attention. Whether you are a Twitch or YouTube streamer wanting a futuristic, eye-catching background piece for your facecam, or just a hardcore gamer who absolutely loves cutting-edge aesthetics, the KOTIN G60B delivers on absolutely all fronts. Moving under the hood to the core internal components, let's talk about the beating heart and brain of this operation. The KOTIN G60B is powered by the highly sought-after 2025 model AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, sitting securely on the next-generation AM5 motherboard socket. If you know anything about modern PC hardware, you know that AMD's Ryzen 7 series represents the ultimate sweet spot for high-end gaming and heavy productivity workloads. This specific single-count processor features a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz, but when you launch a highly demanding application or a brand new game and need that extra horsepower, it dynamically boosts all the way up to a staggering maximum speed of 5.5 GHz. It also packs a massive 32 megabytes of L3 cache to keep data moving instantly to the cores. So, what does this actually mean for your daily user experience? It means absolutely zero system bottlenecks. Whether you're scrubbing through a massive, multi-layered 4K video timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro, compiling hundreds of thousands of lines of code, or playing incredibly CPU-heavy physics-based games like Microsoft Flight Simulator or massive city builders, the Ryzen 7 9700X handles it without breaking a single sweat. Furthermore, because this entire system is built on the AM5 processor socket, you're getting incredible future-proofing. You won't need to replace your entire expensive motherboard if you decide to upgrade your processor 3 or 4 years down the line. That's a massive win for the longevity and value of your investment. Now let's shift gears and talk about the component you've probably all been waiting for, the graphics card. This system is equipped with the brand new state-of-the-art Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070, featuring 12 GB of ultra-fast next-generation GDDR7 memory. The leap from older memory types to GDDR7 is a complete and total game-changer for memory bandwidth, allowing heavily modded, massive texture-heavy 4K games to load almost instantly and run buttery smooth. The RTX 5070 is an undisputed graphical powerhouse operating on the modern PCIe Express interface. In fact, this specific graphics card supports maximum display resolutions up to 7680 by 4320. Yes, you heard that correctly. This system natively supports 8K resolution displays. But for real-world, everyday gaming, this is a premium, no-compromises 4K gaming machine. Utilizing Nvidia's latest DLSS upscaling technology, AI frame generation, and incredibly advanced ray tracing capabilities, you can confidently max out the graphical settings on the most demanding AAA titles and still enjoy incredibly high refresh rates. Imagine playing the most visually stunning, graphically intense games on the market right now at full native 4K resolution with breathtaking, true-to-life volumetric lighting, realistic soft shadows, and physically accurate water reflections, all running flawlessly without a single micro-stutter. The RTX 5070 makes that dream an absolute reality. It provides a standard HDMI video output for your main gaming monitor, making the initial setup process incredibly straightforward and universally compatible. To adequately support that beastly CPU and GPU combination, KOTIN clearly didn't cheap out on the memory or the storage solutions, which is a trap many pre-built companies fall into. With this rig, you're getting 32 GB of premium DDR5 RAM right out of the box, clocked at a blazing fast memory speed of 6000 MHz. 32 GB of DDR5 memory is exactly the sweet spot you want in 2025 for a high-end, future-proof system. It ensures that you can game, stream to your audience, run background applications, and have dozens of internet tabs open simultaneously without experiencing any system slowdown, lag, or memory bottlenecking whatsoever. And if you ever find yourself needing even more memory for intense 3D rendering, animation, or professional workstation tasks in the future, this motherboard supports a massive maximum memory capacity up to 256 GB. For your storage needs, the G60B includes a highly spacious 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe solid-state drive, utilizing a PCIe by 4 interface. A PCIe Gen 4 drive means your included Windows 11 home operating system boots up in just a matter of seconds, and those traditionally frustrating long loading screens in massive open-world RPGs are practically eliminated entirely. 1 terabyte is a fantastic, roomy starting point for your operating system, all your essential software, and your favorite massive games. Of course, high-end performance generates a significant amount of heat, but KOTIN has the thermal management completely under control. This system features a massive, highly efficient 360mm digital liquid cooler. Water cooling is absolutely essential for a high-clocking, high-performance processor like the 9700X. A full 360mm radiator ensures that even under the absolute heaviest gaming loads, or during hours-long rendering sessions, your processor stays frosty, completely preventing thermal throttling and keeping your frame rates highly consistent. Powering all of these high-end, power-hungry components is a robust 850-watt power supply that is fully 80+ Gold certified. That Gold certification is absolutely crucial. It guarantees that the power delivery from your wall to your expensive internal components is highly efficient, incredibly reliable, and exceptionally safe. When it comes to connectivity, this desktop computer is as modern and versatile as it gets. It features the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 wireless technology alongside standard 8.11ax compatibility and built-in Bluetooth. This ensures you